You're about to discover something every man needs to hear. The hidden way porn could be destroying your erections. This isn't fear-mongering, it's backed by science. Stay with me. What if I told you that it's not just about watching too much? Your brain is literally rewiring itself, and your body is suffering because of it. You might think you're fine, but recent research in 2026 shows a startling link between high-stimulus sexual content and erectile issues, especially in younger men. I'm going to break down exactly what the study found, how your reward system reacts, how it affects physical arousal, and, most importantly, what you can do about it. By the end of this video, you'll have clear steps that any man can start using today. Let's start with the basics. Dopamine. This is your brain's feel-good neurotransmitter. It tells you when something is rewarding. Ordinary experiences, exercise, connection, success push dopamine in healthy, moderate waves. But hyper-stimulating content, especially high-novelty sexual content, floods the system. Over time, your brain needs more and more to get the same response. This is the same mechanism behind addiction, tolerance, desensitization, and craving more intense stimuli. It's not a moral judgment, it's neuroscience. And when your dopamine baseline gets disrupted, your ability to respond to real-life intimacy drops. The 2026 study shows that sustained exposure rewires the reward pathways, a process called neuroadaptation. Your brain starts prioritizing novelty and visual triggers over ordinary sensory input. What does that mean? Your body may not respond as strongly to real sexual cues, especially if they're less intense than what your brain expects. That lack of response isn't in your head, it's wired into your neural circuitry. Let's talk anatomy for a second. An erection isn't just about blood flow. It's the result of a complex interaction between your nervous system, hormones, and vascular system. Your brain has to signal the body to react, and if those signals are dulled, the physical response suffers. When your brain becomes tuned to extreme digital stimuli, it can dampen the signal strength that actually triggers arousal in a real physical context. Add to this the fact that most commercial content is designed to be visually maximal. Unusual positions, lighting, pacing, angles, your brain gets trained to expect something your real life can't match. That expectation gap can lead to anxiety, performance stress, and reduced confidence, which feeds the cycle. Beyond the neurophysiological effects, there's self-esteem, shame, secrecy, and stress. When men feel like they're not functioning normally, it creates anxiety that further inhibits erections. This isn't a vicious loop, it's a biological and psychological cycle we can break. If you're finding this insightful, hit like and subscribe. This channel breaks down science-backed solutions just like this one. And drop a comment right now if you've ever felt like your arousal doesn't match your desire. You're not alone. So what do you actually do about it? Here's a simple plan. Step 1. Awareness. Recognize your patterns. How often are you consuming high-stimulus content? Awareness is the first step. Step 2. Reset. A short break from all high-novelty stimuli gives your nervous system a chance to recalibrate. Even 1 week can make a difference. Step 3. Replace. Fill the gap with healthy activities, workouts, cold showers, real social connection. These release dopamine in stable, sustainable ways. Step 4. Professional support. If you're struggling, a therapist or sexual health specialist can help guide you safely. It's not a failure, it's support. Comment below. How long are you committing to your reset challenge? Use #ResetWithPurpose. I respond to as many as I can. And make sure you subscribe. Future episodes dive deeper into recovery strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching. Your body is responding the way it is for a reason. There is a way forward, and you're already taking the first step by seeking answers. Stay committed, and I'll see you in the next video.